Good day to all of you guys out there. So today is the last episode of this season 2 of the Great Cook Spiritual Mind, and in the last video I'm doing in this season is a cooking video because I only about 2 cooking videos so far. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to cook stewed soya. So not everyone can cook soya, but yes, I can cook good, very good soya. So look how I'm cooking it, and you all can try it anytime. So yeah, I will show you guys everything now, and let's get straight into the video. So before you start, you want to add two cups of soya to the bowl and 2 cups of water, and let it rest and let it swell for about 15 minutes. What we'd like to do now is take our soya and squeeze out the water from it and add it into another bowl or something. Drain the water very make sure all the water is out. Continue. Soya is very healthy for especially vegetarians because it has a lot of protein in it, and that's why they say tofu is also healthy, because tofu is literally made out of soya, but the tofu is white. I don't like tofu though. It's very hard to cook, kind of difficult to cook. So continue squeezing. So we're finished here. Now we would like to add the ingredients that is needed for this. So let's do that now. What you like to do now, you like to add some seasoning inside of the soya. 2.5 spoons of seasoning, or you can use 1/4. You like to add 2.5 spoons of ketchup, and now we will mix this up. This is how it's looking at the moment. So we will leave this now and we will go on to the other stuff now. So if you all don't know, you all could also boil an aloo to put in the soya, as I'm doing. It's optional, but I wanted it because it's my lunch. So yeah, to get the pot ready. So let's set the pot on the stove and let's light it and wait till it gets a little heated. Light the stove and let the pot heat and let the water that I rinsed out this pot with dry out. You wanna add 2.5 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil, okay. So let's add some methi to the pot. No, sorry, not methi, some sugar first. You want to add 2 spoons of sugar to your oil. You could, if it's more than how much I'm cooking, you can add more sugar, but yeah. Let's wait for this to bubble up like how it usually does, and then we'll add some methi. Methi is good for lowering blood sugar. It's good for higher in your testosterone level. Methi is very healthy, fenugreek methi. That's why the old times people used it, because it's very healthy to use. As you can see, my sugar is heating up, so now let's add in the methi. Now let's add some jeera. Jeera is good for digestion, whole jeera. Let's add some whole celery. Now we mix. Now add your soya to the pot. Add some water in the soya. Add water until it's covered. Okay, good. That's good. Now mix your soya. But you can see it's have a very nice color to it. And my soya, I mix it with white and it has brown also. Now we would like to use some ginger powder. Ginger powder is very healthy for your body. We'd now like to add some all-purpose seasoning. This all-purpose seasoning contains salt, black pepper, garlic, paprika, chili pepper and oregano, which is very good. Add some 5 spice powder. Add some turmeric to it, some saffron. Final ingredient, some piece of cooking margarine to add a nice flavor to it. This is a good piece to add it and let it melt in it. Now you'd like to mix everything together. We forgot the main ingredient, but I'm gonna add it now. That brings a lot of taste to your food. Salt. Add some salt here. How you like the salt, you can add it. Soy is very healthy for vegetarians, as I said, and all these ingredients that I'm adding in it has a lot of benefits. It's very intrinsic ingredients, and you know you will benefit from this ingredients, like the ginger powder, the methi, the turmeric, everything I add in food, it must have benefit. If it has not, then I'm not adding it, because you know in this time and period we're living, only the healthy will survive. You have to be very healthy to survive in these days, you know what I mean. So yeah, eating healthy in these times is verily what we need. So you know, nowadays a lot of people are eating lots of junk food, you know, fry and fry and fry, and they're not studying their health at all. And the old time people days, like their grandma, if their grandma used to cook with a lot of turmeric and sort of stuff like that, they will forget that. Nowadays people do forget it. And my grandmother, she always cooked with this, yeah, from my father's side, yeah. She cooks with a lot of these stuff, so yeah, methi and sort of stuff like that. My tanti does cook with this, so yeah, and this is where I got it from. And methi is very good for your testosterone, so if you know you want to boost it, you should eat a lot of, cook with a lot of it, not too much, you know. And you know, many people, I have heard many people say that ground jeera is bad, but whole jeera is bad, but whole jeera isn't bad, just don't eat it too much. Whole jeera is like if you're having digestive issues. You know, some people have lots of digestive issues, and these stuff they don't know about. They take a set of medicine and tablets that will constipate them, right? So jeera is very good for digestive issues, right? So as you all can see here now that the food is cooking, and before my mom went out, she made rice. So I will eat my soya with rice. You don't need to eat it with rice alone, you can eat it with roti, you can eat it with bread. Like and subscribe for more updates on this channel. Now let me just take a break and stop talking for a while and let's wait for the food to cook. Yeah. And for the food to cook, I came here to show you all Shankar Bhagwan for a moment, and Durga Devi and Shiv over there. This is Tulsi. Wow, that smell is very good. You see how nice and dark my food is? I absolutely love that food. For some reason it just makes me want it more. I don't know why, but this is dark enough for me. If you want to add soy sauce, you can add, but try to remember how much salt you added, so you will know how much soy sauce you add. You can also add some bitters in it, it's optional. I'm not adding all that. Cook and it's looking really good. As you all can see, this is my soya and rice. Watch how good the soya looks. And this is the aloo that I put it one side. I forgot to add it in the soya as I was very busy at that moment. So I just cut it up and I rested right next to my plate. I can, and it has the skin in it also. I love aloo with the skin because it's much more healthier. The taste test. So many of you all may be wondering, how is this stew soya tasting? Which was made by Chef Branda. Now let's try it and let's see how tasty it is. It's kind of hot, so I'll take a little. Whoa, this is really good. It has it don't have too much salt or less salt. It has balance. It has balance of sugar. It has balance of everything. And my aloo. I love aloo. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more on my channel. This is the last episode of this season, and other season, which is season 3, we'll have more cooking and more Bhagavad Gita verses explained by me. In the other season, not only soya will be cooked, but different set of stuff. And if you all want to want me to cook a specific food, vegetarian, on this channel, you can write it in the comments section, right? I will know what to cook, right? I'll know what to buy to cook it up. Yeah, so yeah, this was really good and this is very healthy and it's sattvic. When I say sattvic, it's very healthy. Some ingredients that I add in it, like it had onions, which is a little tamasic. It is tamasic because you remember when we eat onions and garlic, it burns us inside. So that's why it is tamasic. But Krishna Bhagwan never forbidded that in the Gita. He never said nothing is wrong with eating it. It's healthy, but it's just tamasic for the inside because of its burning. But it's healthy, you know. So yeah. So hope you all have a great day. You all know Corona is still around, so don't go outside and wear your mask. You know, don't go and talk to people, and if anybody talking next to your face something and they're coughing and thing, move and you know just tell them to stop. They might have the virus. So stay safe. God bless. May you be great in your spiritual growth, and please, Lord, help this country and the world.